Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech and baby gear expert with Infant Toddler Youth and the Pump Station and Nursery in Santa Monica. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to rotate the Evenflo Revolve 360. Now, the great thing is it's a very easy one-hand rotation. There's a gray button on both sides of the car seat, and you only have to squeeze one of them. So I'm going to squeeze this side here. That's going to unlock the chair, and now I can rotate it to make it easy for loading and unloading. It also makes it easy because when your child is ready to go from rear to front facing, it doesn't require you to reinstall the whole chair. Now, those are really the only two purposes for the rotation: loading and unloading, and easy flipping between rear and front facing. You never want to drive with the car seat facing outward in a non-locked position. Children who are under 2 years old should still be rear facing, and if they can be rear facing longer, it is definitely safer. The biggest concern families have is the child's legs hitting the back of the vehicle seat, but kids are not fully developed for the first couple of years, so it's not going to cause any damage or discomfort. If the child is over 2 years old, you can legally go front facing, and that will be up to the families. Hopefully the video helped. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.